Hi, I'm Wayne from BWC Publishing. Today we're going to open one of these Adventure Force Rapid Racers. This came from Walmart. It's a little RC car. It was only $10. Comes in cars and pickups in different colors. We got the yellow car today. So let's open it up and see how it goes. Okay, let's open it up and see how it goes. The back just slides out right here. Here's your instructions. There's your instructions. Tells you how to put it together. Batteries, charge it, the whole works. So let's see what we can do here now. Here's your transmitter. Batteries go in the back right here. There's your car, little yellow one. There's your recharge it, on and off right there. Okay. Let's see what we can do with the batteries here. It uses 4 AA's. Like so. And there's your on off button right there. Turn it on, see it flashing. I don't think the car is going to have a charge in it, but let's see. Hey, it did. Whoa. Alright, I think we're ready to do some driving with it. Okay, let's see how we charge the battery here. Right there is a connector that you plug into your car. A little spot on the bottom right there. You just plug it in like so. And charge it. Let's see what it says about charging here. Charge your vehicle. Turn controller switch to on. Turn vehicle power switch off. Okay. LED light blinking. Solid red when fully charged. Okay. Looks like it's fully charged, doesn't it? Right there. Be sure your car is turned on. Now there's an adjustment on the bottom here. If your car is pulling to the right, move this. See there? Uh-oh, turned over. When you're through driving the car, be sure you turn off the switch. There you go.
Okay, we'll see you next time.